How to hide apps on Redmi 14C. Okay, so let's get started. In the first step, you can go to the security, and then you can scroll down until you find hide apps. Tap on it, and in this option you can select any apps do you want to hide. And for the example, I want to hide WhatsApp, and maybe I want to hide Facebook too. And here you can see in the setting button, you can tap on it. You can enable the hide notification, or you can setting to the app locks. And here you can also turn on the app locks, but here I don't want to setting it. And you can see in the gesture, you can tap on it. So here is the instruction for opening apps that have been hidden. You can start like this, and now you can see the WhatsApp and Facebook, and if you want to open, you can do like this, and you can open this up. Okay, just like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.